Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is an air compression leg massager. So we're going to try this thing out and see how it works. I guess I'm going to have to just rip it open. Okay. Let's see what we got here. We have a bunch of different pieces and parts. Probably going to have to move to somewhere where there's electric power. Let's do that right now. Okay, so here we are. I have electric over here. So this, some sort of pad. Okay, so here are the leg compression things. I'm gonna guess they're gonna plug into here. Is there a right and left? I don't know. There's that side. There's that side. And then let's plug this in here. Okay. And this will get plugged in here. Okay, so here we are. We have everything plugged in at this point. So let's see what these things do. Not even sure which way to do it. Here we go. I'm not sure which is left or right. I don't know if it even matters. But let's put them on, see how we do. So a lot of Velcro. So here, if we do this, and then okay, so there's one leg. I'm not even gonna open up the bottom section of this one here because I think it's gonna be, my leg will just fit in, my foot will just fit in. Like that. And there it is. So now everything's twisted up. Let's push the button and let's say pressure. Okay, so let's see. Here we go. Oh, I definitely feel it filling up with air. I guess that's what's doing with these pipes. So right now we're on medium. We're going to change it to strong. And then we'll say mode. Oh, let's go back to this again. Kneading and pressure and shiatsu. Okay, there we go. Now we're kneading. I feel it. This will probably feel really good after a run. Wish I could move you guys a little bit away so you can see what I'm talking about here. But this feels really good on my legs. It's not really on my feet too much. I don't know if it's just not filled up or what. Let's see if we change the mode to shiatsu. Let's see what shiatsu is. Kneading was a lot of like on off. Let's see what shiatsu is. Oh, now I feel it's filling up everything. And then I can turn on heat too, but I don't think I'd want heat. Boy, I feel it on my feet now. Shiatsu is definitely a foot thing. That's pretty cool. I like it. Maybe I'll make it a little tighter next time. But it was super easy to set up. But you get the idea. I mean, I'm gonna say, you know, I set this up. This video is less than 5 minutes long, and I was able to get it all set up and going. Wow, that's pretty cool. I was able to get it all set up and going, and I'm already massaging in less than 5 minutes. So I'm gonna say that's pretty good for any device. So I guess if I was going to give this a review, I would say this thing's definitely a thumbs up on this one here for sure. Boy, that's pretty tight. I got it on high pressure on my feet. So it's good. I like it. This would feel great. After I bike and stuff, I'm going to totally give this thing a try. I'm going to put it over there by my Peloton. And then after I bike, I'm just going to go and lay down on the bed and let this thing go to work for a little while. But super cool. I like it. Thumbs up for sure.